everyone. For this one, you just have to make a plus at the center and then another line, and the two circles are also joined together. These are going to represent the wheels of this car, and the rest of the body of the car is made. It looks so cute. Let's move further. Try to make an aeroplane. For this one, you just have to make a circle, then you just have to make a U shape, and then you just have to join the circle and the U shape together with the help of the marker. And the rest of the features like the propellers are also added from the front portion, and the window is also made. It looks so cute and so easy. Definitely give this one a try. Let's now move further and add some of the more features. We will now try to make this bus. For this one, you just have to first make the two circles in the opposite direction, and you just have to join them via this type of the horizontal line. After that, you have to make another horizontal line, above which you have to make another horizontal line. Then you just have to make another horizontal line. The upper two horizontal lines are smaller in length as compared to the lower ones. Then you just have to make some of the horizontal vertical lines as shown here. This looks so cute and so easy. This is just a work of lines and some of the geometrical shapes, and you are done. Let's now move further. Try to make this fire brigader. For this one, you just have to trace down some of the circles. For that, I have used a coin, and then you just have to join both the circles with the help of the horizontal line. Vertical lines, 3 in number, are made. The center one is the longer one, and the two other are the shorter one. Then rest of the features are added, like the window portion is to be made, and some of the triangles are also created by just making some of the slanting tilted lines, and the stairs are also made. This activity is very simple and very easy. You just have to follow the each step in a sequential manner. It's best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 7 to 8 because it's all work of horizontal, vertical, circle, semicircle, geometrical image that we have jotted down together. Let's move further and try to make this rocket. For this one, you just have to make the oval shape similar to that one of the egg, and in between you just have to make a division. Then you just have to make the another circle, and you just have to make some of the dots in the surroundings. From the back portion, you just have to add some of the taily area as apparent here. It looks so cute and so easy. Definitely give this one a try. Let's now move further. Try to make this aeroplane. First, you just have to make a sleeping line, over which you just have to make a cylindrical type of the body. Then two markings are added from left and the right, and you just have to join them together, and these are going to represent the wings of this aeroplane. Let's now move further with our another activity. You just have to make the two circles like shown here. Then in between you just have to trace down the number M, and then you just have to make another circle, and you just have to join them with the previously made one. We are going to make a bicycle, and it's so cute and so easy. Definitely give this one a try. It's best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 9 to 10. It's all the work of some line circles, and you are done in just few steps. Let's now move further with our another activity. First, try to trace down the alphabet C. Then you just have to make the two U shapes in the opposite direction, and the tail is to be created. The wind area is also made. Yes, we are trying to make an aeroplane, and it's so cute. Let's move further. Try to make a cute little another activity. You just have to make the two circles, and then you just have to make a cross in between. Then you just have to convert it into the car. You just have to add the steering portion, and the rest of the body of the car is also made, and the wheels are again modified. Let's now move further and try to make the another aeroplane. First, you just have to make the shape that's similar to the triangle, over which you just have to build some of the oval shape. Then you just have to again make the wings and some of the windows of this plane. It looks so good. Let's move further with our another activity. We have already traced down the different number of the circles over which we are going to place difference of the transport. For the first one, we have made a car, that's ambassador one, and for the second one, we have tried to make a bus, and for the third one, again, it's the another form of the car, and it looks so cute. For the fourth one, it's the another bus. This looks so nice. Definitely give it a try.